Hey y'all, so in today's video, I just wanted to share my fall kitchen decor. I am not going to be doing a lot of talking in this video. It's going to be more of a relaxing video, and I just want to give you all just some ideas if you were kind of stuck with ideas for fall decor, especially in your kitchen area.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just OD and live my life. Don't take it personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations, please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working. So soak in the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be, and
since I last heard your voice. I know that you felt like you didn't have the choice, and I don't blame you. No, I don't blame you. I know I've been a fool, but baby, believe me when I say to you, yeah, yeah. You can change your mind, change your mind. Stay by my side, 'cause baby, I need you. Change your mind, yeah, change your mind. Make you stay by my side, baby, I need you. Yeah, you. Baby, I need you. Oh yeah, oh baby, I need you. Oh, baby, I need you. So please just hear me out.